Welcome to our top 10 countdown of hunter-gatherer foods that shaped your DNA. For 99% of human history, these wild foods fueled our ancestors' bodies and brains. Yet today, most of us have never even tasted them. Get ready to discover the nutrient-dense powerhouses your body is still optimized to thrive on. Foods that make modern supermarket offerings look like processed junk. Number 10. Seasonal berries. Hunter-gatherers gathered wild berries only when they were in season, pairing brief bursts of natural sugar with long stretches of scarcity and high activity. Today's year-round access to ultra-sweet fruits and processed snacks hijacks those ancient reward circuits and keeps us in permanent berry season. Number 9. Tubers and roots. Ancestral diets relied heavily on fibrous roots and tubers that required digging, chewing, and slow digestion, providing steady energy with minimal blood sugar spikes. In contrast, modern refined starches strip away the fiber and effort, flooding a metabolism that evolved for slow-release carbs. Number 8. Wild greens and bitter plants. Foragers once consumed diverse wild leaves and herbs rich in micronutrients and bitter compounds that trained our detox systems. Modern salads dominated by bland lettuce and sweet dressings barely resemble the pharmacological plant diversity our ancestors evolved with. Number 7. Insects and small critters. For many ancestral groups, insects, grubs, and small animals were an important, reliable protein and fat source, eaten nose to tail. Our modern aversion to these nutrient-dense foods is a cultural mismatch, pushing us toward ultra-processed protein snacks instead. Number 6. Shellfish and coastal foods. Coastal hunter-gatherers thrived on shellfish, seaweed, and small fish, rich in iodine, omega-3s, and trace minerals that shaped brain and thyroid function. Today, many people live far from coasts, eating farmed fish sticks instead of the wild, mineral-dense seafood our physiology expects. Number 5. Fermented and aged foods. Traditional hunter-gatherers and early pastoralists used fermentation to preserve meat, fish, roots, and beverages, unintentionally cultivating probiotics and bioactive compounds. Modern refrigeration and sterile ultra-processed foods mean our guts often miss the microbial diversity these living foods provided. Number 4. Nose-to-tail animal foods. When a large animal was taken down, ancestral groups ate organs, marrow, skin, and connective tissue, concentrated sources of vitamins, minerals, and collagen. Modern meat eating is mostly lean muscle cuts, divorcing us from the nutrient-rich parts our ancestors prized most. Number 3. Wild honey in moderation. For many groups, wild honey was a rare jackpot, highly valued and hard-earned, involving climbing, smoke, and stings. Our brains evolved to celebrate this rare sugar hit, but modern industries have turned that impulse into constant access to sweetened drinks and desserts. Number 2. Wild game and scavenged meat. Lean, mobile animals and scavenged carcasses provided protein intertwined with physical exertion, uncertainty, and social cooperation. Today, sedentary lifestyles meet feedlot meats and processed deli slices, severing the ancient link between effort, ecology, and animal food. Number 1. Food variety shaped by landscape, not labels. Hunter-gatherer diets weren't keto, low-fat, or plant-based. They flexed with seasons, rainfall, and migration, creating huge diversity over time. Our modern tendency to lock into rigid diet identities ignores the ancestral pattern, an adaptable, whole foods template governed by ecology, not marketing. And there you have it, the top 10 hunter-gatherer foods that built the human brain and body. Which ancestral superfood surprised you most? Was it the organ meats, the wild tubers, or maybe the insects? Your genes are still expecting these nutrient-dense whole foods, not the processed grain-based diet of modern civilization. Thanks for joining us on this journey back to your nutritional roots.